Welcome, adventurers, to a fascinating chapter in the annals of exploration. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey back to 1959 to uncover the remarkable tale of the ice block expedition, a daring feat that captivated the world and pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity. Welcome to Global Success Stories. In the autumn of 1958, the airwaves crackled with excitement as Radio Luxembourg issued an unprecedented challenge: transport 3 tons of ice from the Arctic Circle to the Equator without any form of refrigeration. This audacious challenge was accompanied by a tantalizing promise of reward: 100,000 francs for every kilogram of ice that survived the journey to its tropical destination. Enter Glassvatt, a Norwegian insulation company led by visionary engineer Sivert Klevan. When Glassvatt caught wind of the challenge, they saw not just a daunting task, but an opportunity to showcase the revolutionary potential of their insulation technology. Despite initial skepticism and the withdrawal of the reward offer by Radio Luxembourg, Glassvatt remained undeterred. On February 22, 1959, they made a bold decision to proceed with the expedition, driven by a belief in their product and a thirst for adventure. With meticulous planning and the support of sponsors from 8 countries, including Shell and Scania, Glassvatt began preparations for the historic journey. The ice was sourced from the Svartisen Glacier, cut into manageable blocks, and carefully insulated in a specially designed container. Meanwhile, the expedition team braced themselves for the challenges that lay ahead. From the frosty landscapes of Norway to the sun-drenched streets of Paris, the expedition embarked on a triumphant tour across Europe. Everywhere they went, they were met with awe and admiration as crowds gathered to witness the spectacle of the ice-laden truck, symbolizing the spirit of innovation and adventure. The expedition's true test came in the form of the unforgiving Sahara Desert, where scorching heat and treacherous terrain posed formidable challenges. Despite setbacks and hardships, including getting stuck in the desert sands and facing the threat of guerrilla forces, the expedition persevered. On March 21, 1959, they finally arrived in Libreville, greeted with jubilation and acclaim. After weeks of grueling travel, the expedition finally arrived in Libreville, where they were greeted with jubilation and acclaim. As the ice block was unveiled, the world watched in astonishment. It had retained an astonishing 89% of its original weight, a testament to the efficacy of Glassvatt's insulation and the indomitable spirit of human endeavor. As we bid farewell to this extraordinary journey, let us remember the courage, innovation, and camaraderie that defined the ice block expedition of 1959. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the untold stories of exploration and adventure. Until then, may the spirit of discovery guide your path. If you found this journey as captivating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more riveting tales from history. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on our next expedition.